Hi Beauty Pies! In this tutorial, I will be trying on and reviewing some new high-end luxury makeup from Sephora. Starting with my brows, I'm going to be using the new Patrick Ta Major Brow Defining Pencil, and I'm using the color Soft Black. Next, I'm using the new foundation by Hourglass, the Ambient Soft Glow Foundation. If you want to see an entire review of this foundation, I do have it on my channel. It's the last video that I posted. It's a medium coverage foundation, but it's buildable. It does say that you can get a medium coverage look with just a pea-sized amount. Next, I'm trying the Huda Beauty Fauxfilter Concealer. I'm using the color Toasted Almond 5.3G. What I do remember from her foundation is that it was shocking to me how much coverage that I had for such a lightweight product. That's exactly what I'm seeing here right now. It is very lightweight, but it's like, oh my god, that did what? I didn't use a color corrector. I really love the finish. Fauxfilter. It has a matte finish. Doesn't feel drying at all. I did get good coverage. It's very brightening. This is a really nice concealer. So it worked just as nicely on the rest of my face. Doesn't feel drying. It's stunning, and more importantly, it does not feel heavy. The next new product I'm trying is the Laura Mercier new Ultra Blur Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm using the color Honey. So I'm just putting this powder everywhere that I applied the concealer. So now we're going to try the Jaclyn Cosmetics new bronzer. This is the color Boss Babe. This is the MAC 168. I'm gonna actually do my lipstick next. I am trying out the new Kind Words lipstick line from Rare Beauty. I have the Kind Words matte lip liner in the color Gifted and the lipstick in the color Worthy. I am trying it with this lip product that I purchased from Jaclyn Cosmetics. It's the Hydrapout lip treatment. As you can see, because my lips have that pigmentation, I generally like to use my lip liner and fill it in with the lip liner, but that's what I did the last time and it was just way too drying because the lipstick is also matte, so I'm not going to fill it in. I just lined the perimeter of my lips. Now I'm applying the lipstick in Worthy. I applied the same Huda Beauty concealer on my eyes to prime it. Right now I'm going to try the new Natasha Denona Mini Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to start with this color. It does have a hint of color, but not much, with the color in between. And I'm using a smaller brush by Jaclyn Cosmetics. So I'm going to pop that out here in the outer corner. It's not taking much at all to build up color. I like that. Now I'm going to take a smaller pencil brush and use the color Tough Darkest Brown Matte. I'm going to take the Jaclyn brush again and I'm going to blend out that color. I'm going to pick up the shimmer color with my finger. It is called Bronze Foil. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to tap that onto my lid. And bring it all the way into the inner corner. So now I'm just going to line my eyes with this eyeliner. I'm just going to line the top line and the lower lash line. Put on some mascara and lashes. The lashes I'm going to use are these lashes by Lily Lashes. This is in the style Ella. I don't have any new blushes to try, but I'm just going to reach for my Sephora palette. I'm going to mix these two colors together. I'm using this blush brush from Sigma. It's the F10. We have finished applying all of the makeup and let's talk about it. I like all of the makeup that I applied on my face. Foundation I still love. I'm going to actually go back in with some of this Ultra Blur powder under my eye because this area has gotten a little oily. I love this concealer. I love how it came out. I honestly thought the color was not going to be good. It was going to be too pale, but the undertone looks great. It gave me great coverage, and I put very little. So if I went a little heavier on this, I would have even more coverage. Eyeshadow palette is nice, very easy to apply. I didn't need a lot of the product. The only thing about foil color though, the bronze color, is that it's a little bit on the red-orange side than the dark brown side, which I don't like. The brows, I love the brows. I love the brows. I love how easy it was to do the brows. I did it so quickly and I did it on camera, which is even harder. I was really surprised. Like, I don't know what the magic is in that yet, but it's a good product. The Kind Words lipsticks was a bit of a miss for me. I did love this color combination when I applied the lip liner all over my lips and then applied the lipstick. It was just beautiful, but it was so drying because these are both matte products. And the way I applied it now, with just lining the lips with the lip liner and then applying the lipstick, it gave me a different color, much more natural and neutral, which I actually think would be a very nice color for every day. Maybe a different makeup look, maybe just more of a natural makeup look. This might be a better color combination. I really like the bronzer too. When I first put it on, like I said, I started feeling really dry in on my skin area, and I wasn't sure if it was the foundation, the matte foundation, and this, but I don't feel it anymore. Like, it's not feeling that tightness at all. It's not feeling in the areas where I put this bronzer either. So that's great because that means that this isn't going to be like a drying product, and I love the color. It's just a great color for my skin tone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.